Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Today we're diving into the world of lawn mowers, specifically the two main types of lawn mowers, rotary and cylinder mowers. In this video we'll take a look at the key differences between the two, find out what's the best one for your lawn, and also run through a few other options worth considering. Each mower type has its strengths and is better suited to different lawn types and mowing preferences. The first lawnmower was invented in 1830 by an English engineer called Edwin Beard Budding. Edwin's impressive innovation utilised a cylinder cutting mechanism. These mowers have a spiral set of blades that are attached to a cylinder or a reel, and they spin forward against a stationary bed knife, cutting the grass much like scissors. Cylinder mowers are much heavier and they have a rear roller for a clean, neat finish. Cylinder mowers are ideal for fine textured, low cut varieties like couch or TifTuf, but they can be used on all lawn varieties including zoysias like Sir Grange or Zoysia Australis. Cylinder mowers can cut a lot shorter than what rotary mowers can, so if you're looking for that short, manicured look, then a cylinder mower would be your best option. If you're also trying to replicate the stripes you see on lawns, then a cylinder mower with its rear roller can help you do that too. Cylinder mowers have surged in popularity over the last few years, so let's take a look at some of the options that are out there. A Scott Bonner 45 or a Rover 45, which is great if you can find one second hand. Mass Sport Olympic Series, reliable and widely available. The Bush Ranger, which is good value for domestic use. A Super Swift 17-inch, which is a great entry-level option. And for smaller lawns, you can look at the Ozito reel mower or Victor 16-inch razor cut hand push reel. And there are many more. Nowadays, rotary mowers are what most people think of when they picture a mower. They use horizontally spinning blades that cuts grass on impact. First successfully developed in the early 50s right here in Australia, rotary mowers are perfect for most lawn types, from Sir Walter DNA certified right through to couch or kikuyu. They're a great option if the lawn you're mowing is a little bit uneven or has gotten a bit out of hand. They're also perfect if you're mowing not as frequently or your grass grows a little bit too quickly in between mows. Rotary mowers are also easier to maintain and generally more forgiving than cylinder mowers, making them a great all-rounder, especially for larger yards or when perfection isn't the priority. Most rotary mowers, however, won't be able to cut the grass as low or as cleanly. You'll find petrol-powered rotary mowers are still the go-to option for many because they're powerful, reliable and durable. However, battery rotary mowers are quickly catching up and are a great alternative as they're quieter and lighter, making them perfect for smaller backyards. Here are some reliable options for rotary mowers that you can pick from. The Victor Corvette series, a reliable petrol mower range. The Mass Sport 675 series, a solid feature-rich option with good build quality. The Honda HRU 216 and HRN 216, popular for their durability and smooth cutting. The Ego Power Plus 56 volt series, a solid performer in the battery powered category with impressive torque and runtime. And the Ryobi 36 volt brushless range, which is widely available and popular for residential battery mowing, and there are many more. Whether you stick with a rotary mower or invest in a cylinder mower, the most important thing is mowing consistently and at the correct height for your lawn type. In our next video, we'll look at some emerging mower technologies, both in the domestic and the commercial sector. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to catch you next time.